In the previous lecture, we had discussed the equation of motion. We have discussed only first equation of motion. Now we are discussing the first equation of motion. We have written V is equal to U plus AT. In the previous lecture, we have discussed the equation of motion first, and the basic symbols we are using for that is V is the final velocity, U is the initial velocity, A is the acceleration, and T is the time. What is the second equation of motion? This is the second equation of motion. S is equal to ut plus half at square. This is the equation of motion second. What is the equation of motion third? This is the third equation of motion. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. Here u is equal to initial velocity. U is equal to initial velocity. V is equal to final velocity. S is equal to displacement. S is equal to displacement, and T is equal to time. All the units in SI units, all the units should be in SI unit, and here the A is the acceleration. A is the acceleration. Here one important thing is that all the equation of motion, all equation of motion are valid when acceleration is constant. Acceleration is constant. When acceleration is constant. And sign convention is already using on this type of equations. What is the sign convention? Sign convention, here the sign convention is used when equation of motion is applied. When the equation of motion is applied. Suppose a particle is here, A. This is the particle A, and this is the particle. After a time t, its initial velocity is u, and its final velocity is v. At t equal to 0, particle start at here. At t equal to t, particle moves here, and we know v is greater than q. For the sign convention, the direction of this should be taken as positive. Any direction should be taken as positive, but here the particle is moving in this direction, and this direction to be taken to be positive. Here the direction of this always taken to be negative also, but for the our convenience, the direction of this to be taken as positive, and u should be positive, v should be positive, and A is equal to positive, and time is always positive. Time is always positive value, and all the velocities and accelerations are taking their sign. Here this is the case first. Second case, if a particle is moving from here to here, this is particle A. After a time t, particle reaches here. At t equal to 0 पे particle here, and t equal to t, particle is here. The initial velocity of the particle A is u, and the final velocity of the particle is v. Here we take u greater than v. Here we take u greater than v. It means initial velocity is large and final velocity will be less. It means the particle is in retardation mode. And here in this case, if v is greater than u, it means particle is in acceleration mode, and acceleration should be taken as positive, and the value of acceleration should be taken as positive. Here we see that u is greater than v. Here u is large as compared to v. It means particle stopped a particular time interval t, and u should be positive. Here this direction should be taken as positive. U should be positive, v should always be positive, and acceleration should be negative, because the direction of acceleration in this direction, and here the direction of A is in this direction, because when the particle is in accelerating mode and the velocity should be increases and A is positive condition, and here the velocity is decreasing and the particle is in retarding mode and acceleration should be taking negative. The sign conventions is very important when we are using the equation of motion. And the third important thing is that when the equation of motion is applied, the acceleration value should be constant. If the acceleration is not constant, the equation of motion is not valid at any cases. If equation of motion is not valid, then we are using the basic principles. V is equal to dx over dt and acceleration is equal to dv over dt. This equations is valid when acceleration is not constant. Is not constant. This is the important criteria for the equation of motion.